If you want to record sounds on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then what you can do is you can go to the app drawer, and then over here you should be able to find the recorder app. Of course, if you open it for the first time, you will need to grant some permissions, and even I have to go to settings over here to allow modes access for the app so it can use the silent mode whenever I start recording. And there we go. Now, once you are ready, once the app is ready to be used, then you can use this circle button here at the bottom, and you will immediately start recording yourself. If you want to, you can of course pause the recording or completely stop it and save it. You can of course set up the title for the recording if you want to, and then we should be able to just tap on save here at the bottom. Now, the app also has the automatic transcription. And so you should be able to see the transcription once you open the recording, if you of course enabled that. We can also find the summary of the recording. If it's of course long enough, then you should be able to generate it. Here we also have the option to switch between the view, between the audio over here and the transcription. If you tap on these three dots, then we can find some additional options as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.